Going to do an angle kit install from SRC Designs. In the kit, it comes with your 2 modified knuckles, which he has modified here. Also come with the, of course, the ever so wanted extended lower control arms. Now what he's done with these is he's taken the stock control arm, cut and extended. Also comes with aftermarket inner tie rods that are longer due to the extended length that you have. And it will come with these, the hose clamp. For your dust boots on your steering rack, and also come with the spacers for the inner tie rods. The only extra thing that I've bought for the kit or install is multi-purpose grease. And that is due to the fact that when we go to put the inner tie rods on, what I'll end up doing is I will extend my rack all the way out as far as I can and clean off the old grease that's on there. And then I'll reapply new grease just to kind of freshen her up. Alright, so you're going to have to remove the caliper and knuckle, obviously. Hopefully your install will be as simple as mine has been so far, and I hope I didn't jinx it.
This is a certified hood classic.
You're like, this is easy. This is easy install, dude. You just tap your ball joint out. Giving her a little bit of that. Okay. Stop. Now, let's do a little comparison. See the difference there? Pretty good length.
It's a crazy difference. You really do.
So you got to remove the hub from the knuckle. That's what I'm doing now. Okay, so on mine, he included these bolts. I don't know if he'll do that on every kit. So if he doesn't, be courteous and replace them.
Nice little touch.
Okay, today we're going to be finishing up the alignment. Yesterday, me and Jordan made some janky ass toe plates out of aluminum angle iron. Blocks of wood. On each side, just like that. Tape measure across the front, tape measure across the rear. Right now I've got like a 1/2 inch toe in right now, which is a little excessive. I'm gonna try and shoot for like a 1/16 of an inch. We got it pretty close though yesterday. When we first installed the angle kit, it was pretty out of whack, pretty far toe out. So hopefully we'll get it dialed in.
Internet boy.
I'm just sitting around here smoking weed with my niggas. I just hope when we gone that they don't forget us. I'm just sitting around here smoking weed with my niggas. I just hope when we gone that they don't forget us. I'm just sitting around here smoking weed, smoking.
But there are no excuses. The fact of the matter is the person who killed him was me. I've made my peace with that. In fact, I'm going to let you live today, just so you can relay that to the others. Someday, we'll avenge him.
This nut here, it goes up against the outer tie rod, and that's what keeps it from moving while you're driving.
I'm just
And you're gonna want to use two different sizes crescents for the outer and for the inner tie rods to break them loose.
Because you got to hold the outer tie rod, or I mean the inner tie rod, while you're breaking it loose.
Yeah, because it saves it from swiveling.